Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the format of notice writing. Okay. So whenever we are writing a notice, at first what we have to do, at first we have to mention the name of the organization, name of the school, name of the institution, name of the company in capital letter. Okay. And after mentioning all these things in second line, what we have to do, we have to write down notice in capital letter. Okay, and after writing the notice in capital letter, what we will do, in left hand side we have to mention date. Okay, after mentioning the date, what we will do in the center, okay, we will mention the heading. Okay, heading of the notice means why we are writing the notice. Okay, and after mentioning the heading, what we have to do, we have to write down the body of the notice. Okay, the things we are going to mention. Okay, in the notice. After mentioning the body, after writing the body, what we have to do, we have to mention our name and our designation. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Raji, can you tell me what is the format of notice writing?
The format of notice writing is that firstly we have to mention the name of the organization, school or institution, etc. Then after this line we have to mention the notice in the capital words. And after this, what we have to do, we have to mention the date in the left side, and after that we have to mention the heading or the topic of the notice, and after that we have to write the body of the notice. After that we have to mention the date and designation in the left side of the.
Okay, sit down. Once again, I will repeat it. Whenever we have to write a notice, at first what we have to do, we have to write down the name of the organization, name of the institution, name of the school, or name of the company. In which letter? In capital letter. Okay, we have to write down in capital letter, and after writing all these things, what we have to do, in second line we have to write down notice. Notice is also capital letter. Okay, and after writing the notice, what we have to do, in left hand side we will mention date. Okay, in left hand side we will mention date, and after mentioning the date, in center we have to mention the heading of the notice. Okay, while we are writing the notice, we will mention it, and after mentioning the heading, what we have to do, we have to write down the body of the notice. After writing the body, what we have to do, at last we have to mention our name and designation. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now can you tell me about tenses? How many kind of tenses are there? Okay, I will tell you there are three kind of tenses. Okay, and each tense divided into four parts. Okay, three tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. If we talk about their parts, okay, the first one, present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, then I will tell you about the past tense: past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Okay, then future tense: future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So now Unnati will tell me about the tense and their parts.
The tense is divided into three parts. These parts are present tense, past tense, and future tense. These all three parts have four parts of each. The first is present tense. The parts of present tense are present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. The parts of past tense are past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. The parts of future tenses are future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous.
Now my second question is, what do you understand by determiners? What do you understand by determiners? Okay, determiners are words. Okay, determiners are words that are used before a noun to determine or indicate something. Okay, determiners को हम क्या बोलते हैं? निर्धारक बोलते हैं. ठीक है, so determiners क्या होते हैं? Determiners are words. Okay, determiners are words that are used before a noun, and why they used before a noun? To indicate or determine something about noun. Okay, so now can you tell me about the types of determiners? Yes, Prachi.
The types of determiners are five, and these types are articles, demonstratives, distributives, possessive, and quantifiers.
Okay, sit down. What are the possessive determiners? Can you tell me the example of possessive determiners? Yes.
The possessive determiners are a type of determiners that shows possession. For example, mine, yours, ours, etc.
Unnati, can you tell me about the examples of quantifiers?
Quantifiers are the types of determiners that tells the quantity of the things. The examples of determiners are such, much, many, etc.
So now can you tell me, do you know about the letter writing? Okay, who is going to tell me about the formal letter? What is formal letter? And what is informal letter? What is formal letter and what is informal letter? Who is going to tell me? Okay, I will tell you a formal letter. Okay, a formal letter used for. Okay, you have to listen to me very carefully. A formal letter used for official or business purpose. Okay, official letter क्या होते हैं? Official letter used for official or serious business purpose. Okay, so now I will tell you the purpose of the formal letter. Okay, what is the purpose of formal letter? Okay, the purpose of formal letter is used for official or business communication. Okay, used for official or business communication like job applications. Okay, and inquiries and all these things. Okay, now I will tell you the tone of the formal letter. Okay, how the tone should be. Okay, so now the tone should be professional and respectful. The tone should be professional and respectful. Okay, now I will tell you about the informal letter. Okay, informal letter, this is very easy to understand. Informal letter written to friends or family members. The letters which we write to our family and friends. Okay, known as the informal letter. Okay,